There are traders who just can't take a stop loss. They know they should exit, but their body won't move. They freeze. They simply can't hit the button. Here's the truth. The mistake is trying to make that decision in the moment. The instant you see a losing position, your mind starts saying, if I close now, the loss becomes real. Maybe it'll come back if I wait a little longer. What if I cut it and the market goes up right after? Once you're in that state, it's already too late. Fear and hope start pulling you in opposite directions, and your finger stops moving. So don't rely on logic or willpower. Build a system that exits the trade even when you can't. First, place your stop order the moment you enter the trade. Don't add it later. Set it from the beginning, and only move your stop in the direction of profit. Never move it farther away to increase your risk. If you still remove your stop, your position size is probably too large. When a potential loss exceeds what you can emotionally handle, your ability to make good decisions drops. Reduce your size until you feel this. I don't feel emotional about losing this amount. If you can't take a $1,000 loss, make it $100. If $100 still feels too big, make it $10. The goal right now is not to make money. The goal is to train yourself to exit exactly where you planned. Start with small positions. And if the market comes back after you stop out, don't worry about it. A stop loss isn't judged by what happened afterward. It's judged by one thing. Did you respect your predefined risk? That's all that matters. There's one more thing you need to change. You need to change what a stop loss means. You can't cut losses because you think a stop loss means losing. It doesn't. A stop loss is not defeat. It's the cost of buying yourself the right to take the next trade. The real loss is not taking a stop. The real loss is refusing to exit when you should and destroying your account in one trade. So make this decision from now on. I will never decide whether to exit in the heat of the moment. I will make that decision before I enter. After I enter, I simply follow my orders. You don't need an iron mind to take a stop loss. What you need is a system that protects your capital even when your mind is weak.